Verb tenses. Present perfect. Firstly, let's review the tense past simple. We use past simple to talk about actions or states of being that started and ended in the past. For example, he fell over, or she joined the gym last year. Each action took place at a particular point in time in the past. They're not continuing. Now let's look at when present perfect tense is used. When referring to events or states of being that occurred in the past but are continuing to the present. Let's have a look at some examples. She has lived there for years. They have been friends for a long time. She still lives there. They are still friends. If we used past simple, the meanings would be very different. She lived there for years. Now she must live somewhere else. They were friends for a long time. Their friendship began and ended in the past. We also use present perfect to describe an action that has occurred during a time period that has not finished. For example, this month, so far, today. Carol has visited twice this year. This year's not finished yet. She might visit again. He has phoned 3 times today. Today's not over, so present perfect is used. Present perfect is also used when the time the action was completed is not important, when we want to emphasize the result of the action. Take, for example, the sentence, "They have met before." In this sentence, the fact that they met is important, not when they met. Because present perfect emphasizes the result of the action, a follow-up question someone might ask is when. For example, when did they meet? Here's another example. I have been to Japan. I ate sushi there. The first sentence is in present perfect. The second is in past simple. Because it's not important when I went to Japan, except that it happened in the past. But it is important when I ate sushi, when I was in Japan. Now we know what it's used for. Let's look at how we form present perfect. We need 2 things. The present tense of the verb have, conjugated to match our subject, and the past participle of a verb. Here's a sentence written in simple present. He sees the movie. To form present perfect, we add the verb have, and because our subject is he, we will need to use the conjugated form has. Then we just need to add the past participle of our verb. The past participle of see is seen. He has seen the movie. Let's have another go. I eat dinner. We must add the verb have, which we don't need to conjugate because it already matches our subject I. And then we need the past participle of the verb eat, which is eaten. I have eaten dinner. Present perfect can also be used for actions completed very recently by adding the word just. For example, he has just seen the movie. I have just eaten dinner. When we form a question using present perfect, the word order changes. The verb have goes before the subject. You have been here before. Have you been here before? They have met before. Have they met before? Contractions are often used with present perfect. I have eaten could become I've eaten. He has been could become he's been. For practice using present perfect, check out our present perfect activity video. And for more language lessons, be sure to subscribe. EasyTeaching.net